Hi, today I have Brown Eyed Girl's third album, Sound G. This album came out in 2009, so it's kinda old, I guess. And it might be a little hard to find because most of Brown Eyed Girl's albums go out of print. So yeah, but here it is, and here's the track list. You have one disc with all the new songs and some instrumentals, and this disc which is just remixes, which I don't particularly care for. So here is the size comparison, and the track list is Glam Girl, this is CD1, Glam Girl, Abracadabra, third one is Addiction, Candyman, Moody Night, Strange Days, Can't Go, Although You Have a Girl, and I'll Do Well, which is Jaya solo. And then you have Abracadabra instrumental, Candyman instrumental, and I'll Do Well instrumental. And disc 2, all the remixes of LOVE, Second, You, Hold the Line, My Style, Oasis. I don't really listen to the second CD, so it's a good sturdy material. So open it up, and here you have the photo book, which is not attached, so that's good. And then you have the CDs held in on these foam stopper things. So here's disc 1, then disc 2. That side. So here you have the photo book. Pretty good. So you have Narsha. I really like these pictures. Jaya, Gain and the lyrics to Glam Girl. Miro, I don't know how you pronounce the name. This is My Bias, with Brown Eyed Girls. Jaya and Gain and lyrics to Abracadabra. You have Gain and Mario. All of them. Narsha's in this area. And you have Mario. I really like these pictures. And the lyrics to Addiction. That's my favorite song off this album. You have Gain and the lyrics to Candyman. Jaya and the lyrics to Moody Night. She looks very pretty there. Narsha and the lyrics to Strange Days. And you have Jaya and Narsha. Oh, and this is interesting. If you look, Narsha, she has humongous eyelashes. And then you have all of them in a different concept. We have Jaya and Narsha, I think. And then Gain and Mario. And then you have the credits. And that's it. So, pretty good. This was the first K-pop album I ever bought in the fall of 2011. I would suggest that if you can find this, you should definitely buy it. The songs are really good. And they also have it on iTunes, so if you can't buy the physical copy, you can always buy it on iTunes if you want it. Yep, so this is my unboxing of Brown Eyed Girl's third album, Sound G. Bye.